Hello violin players. Violinists of every ability often ask me to do another video about the left hand, and especially for new beginners I'm going to give you the simplest way of remembering your left hand position, so stay tuned for that. Why am I so passionate about having a good left hand position? When you have a good left hand position, it makes everything, every aspect of violin playing so much easier. And the key to success is simpler than you think. Suck your thumb, and now look at the back of your thumb, the inside of your thumb, and see if it's wet. And that is your perfect left hand position. Look at this. I haven't changed it at all. Do it again with me. And now look at the back of your thumb. Now, it's as easy as that. Now I can place my violin in my left hand like this, and it is a perfect left hand position. Now let's talk you through the key ingredients of this perfect left hand position. First of all, can you see that my fingers are very high above the string? So rather than it going there, I am having my fingers up, and my finger line, the line of my bass knuckles of my fingers here, is level or even slightly higher than the strings. Did you see also that my thumb is in this position here? Now if I'm having that there, that my thumb is up. So my thumb is not back, but my thumb is up like that. Did you also notice when I was having my hand here that my fingers are curved? And those three things are absolutely vital. Take a look at my wrist. What does my wrist do? It is straight. And that is where I have it when my violin goes up and my hand goes around it. My wrist is straight, my bass knuckles are level with the string or slightly higher. My thumb is forward, so it is, when you play, it should be opposite your first finger or slightly higher. It may not go beyond the second finger, so this is too far up, or behind the first finger, that's too far back, you see. But it wasn't when I was practicing this. Look where my thumb was. It's exactly in the right place, you see. So there's your key to success. Suck your thumb and then move your violin into that position. Now something else that's also happened when I was doing this is that my elbow has come in almost in front of my body like that. Sometimes I see violinists with their elbow out like that, but it is under the violin. So if I'm now placing my violin here, the elbow is under, and that gives my fingers a really good position there. And I'm going to give you an exercise to practice having your elbow under and having your fingers nice and round. And we can do this together. Slide your hand up a little bit so that your wrist touches the body of the violin right here. And now bring your elbow further under, as far as you can manage actually. And then let your pinky go over all the strings so that you might be able to pluck the G string, the string furthest on the left, like this. And that way, you encourage the stretch in your muscles here so that you can reach more easily, and you make your pinky nice and strong. So practice that a couple of times. If that's uncomfortable, just give your arm a swing. And then we'll find our third finger, the ring finger, and we're going to pluck the D string, so the second from left, with your ring finger. Okay, your middle finger is for the A string, and you've guessed it, your index finger, your pointy finger, is for the E string. Okay, give your shoulder a good stretch like that so it opens and you feel much less tired. So these are the things I would encourage you to do before you start playing the violin. And these are very good for complete beginners, but also very useful things to remember when you've been playing the violin for a while and you want to get really, really precise with your left hand technique. And there's another video that goes into this in a little bit more depth, and you can find it here. It will pop up somewhere around my head. I don't know, I never know where exactly. But follow that video as well, and you will get so much better and so much more comfortable and so much more relaxed with your left hand when you follow those hints and tips there. And check out my book as well. It's called Do It Yourself Violin, just for people like you who are learning to play the violin online, on YouTube, or via online lessons. Check it out. This is a book that you can read and follow, and it's easier with sheet music and so on, but it has got separate videos that you can download or watch online as well. And as always, do please subscribe to the channel. You will support this channel, and if you want to get more out of your violin playing, check out the memberships as well. And another video should pop up somewhere around my head. Thanks very much for watching.